First, we're importing component from @Angular core to define our component and form control from @Angular forms to handle form inputs in a reactive way. Next, we import debounce time and distinct until changed operators from RxJS. These operators help us optimize our input event handling. Here's our component decorator. It defines the selector for the component and an inline template with a text input bound to our form control. We're creating a class for our component, called debounced input component. Inside, we initialize the debounced input control using a new instance of form control. In the constructor, we start listening to value changes on our input control. This will emit an event every time the user changes the input. We use the pipe method to compose our operators. First, the debounce time operator is used to wait for a 500 millisecond pause in input events before emitting the last value. Next, we use distinct until change to ensure that subsequent emissions are only sent if the input value is different from the previous value. This helps to avoid unnecessary processing for duplicate values. Finally, we subscribe to the processed observable. In the subscription, we log the debounced and distinct input value. In a real-world scenario, you would handle the value as needed, like sending it to a server or updating the UI.